Hey, what's going on? It's your boy Big John, Big John's Bully House. Out here tonight with Capone. Hey. And Hooch. Last time we were out here, we brought up Gotti. Gotti, like I said, it was actually his first time actually being out here and getting into it with a coon. So, I mean, he's still got a lot to learn. The old man Hooch, again, he's 9.5 years old. He's ready. Go ahead, you let him off the leash. He didn't even want to wait to be put on a leash. Come. Come. It's been a little bit, man, it was freezing cold, so when it gets down real cold, we don't come out because there ain't no point. The coon ain't gonna be moving, and so there's just no point in it. But we're gonna see what Capone does. Hopefully get a coon tonight. We already know what Hooch does, so. I mean, I know it's different, man. With that, Hooch, with that, come on. I know it's different seeing Hooch without Savage or seeing, not seeing Savage in the videos, man, but Hooch is the one that started it all. For the American Bully side coon hunting with me, so. Everything Savage knew, learned from his old man. Kind of same situation I'm in. Come on. But as soon as we find one, man, start the video up and get it cracking. Okay, here we are. We got two. It is a thorn patch, man. So it's gonna get crazy. Huh?
Let me break down all these stones real quick.
That's one thing I wish, man. That's the only thing on Capone right there. His breathing. Gotti don't even breathe like that. But we're gonna work through it, man. Either we're gonna work through it or it is what it is. If I could change anything, it's that. Just that breathing. You guys seen Gotti come out, didn't breathe like that. Hooch, don't breathe like that. But we're gonna get into it, man, and start getting these coon. Like I said, man, it's a thorn patch everywhere. So for the ones that think or stay or state this ain't hunting, this ain't whatever, these dogs don't have drive, come on, man. We literally go through bullshit just to get you guys videos. I mean, it ain't no little thorn patch, man. It's all the way around us. All right, get the first one. Let's get it. Good. Hooch, coon.
So did you get him off? Just blast him. Dink.
Hooch, come.
Oh, he's like, dink. I see you, Gotti.
Hooch, coon.
He's right here, Daddy.
Come. Hooch, come.
Right there, Gotti. Go get him, Gotti. Dad, watch out. Move your right.
Hooch, come. Good boy, Hooch. Good boy. Okay. Well, got 2. Go ahead and call it. Come on, big boy. God damn it. Tore y'all up. Huh. 9.5 years old. Oh boy. Phone's punk ass in the back. Huh. Good boy. Want to give a huge shout out to all the subscribers, new and old, like, shares, comments, followers, all the love that we get and continue to get. If you guys have placed any orders, please allow time for us to get the orders all caught up and everything, man. We're actually getting ready to go into the online store and fix some things as well. We're going to run the online store for about 2 weeks and then shut it down for an entire week. So make sure if you want to get your order in, you do so within that 2-week period of time. If not, it'll open up in a week again. We just got to make sure we're getting all the orders caught up, man. We have had a lot of orders, man. So huge shout out to all you guys, man, that placed orders, got merchandise and everything, hats, clothes, the whole 9 yards, man. As always, take care, God bless, stay safe. We love you all, man. Keep rocking with us.